Welcome everyone, my name is Nanika. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So today I created a very unique purple violet smoky eye look. If you want to know how I get this look, please keep on watching. So I first moisturized my face using this Biotique Wheat Germ Creme, and for primer I used this primer from Wet n Wild. It's a dewy primer. And now for foundation, I'm going with this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline and putting it with the help of a brush in dotted motion all over my face, and then using my fingers to spread it evenly. And now using a brush I will buff it all over my face. Now to hide all my acne marks, I will be using this Wet n Wild concealer and let it rest for some time. Till then I will move towards my eyes. I'm using Color Essence HD foundation stick and the shade Natural Brown, and mainly focusing to conceal my dark circles, and then setting it with the Lakme Rose powder in the shade Soft Pink. Now using this particular shade from the Rock Nude palette from Maybelline, I will be using my fingers to put it till my crease of both of my eyes, and then whatever is left in my finger I will smoke out my lower lash line. Now taking this particular shade from Wet n Wild palette, I'll be buffing it all over my crease, for there is no harsh edges left and also in my lower lash line. Now since the pigmentation is lost, so I am again using this violet shade from the Maybelline palette and putting it using my fingers on my lid, and again using the buffing brush to buff it on my crease. Next I am now dabbing all the concealer, and you can see how well it hides all my acne marks. And now using the same concealer I will highlight all my high points, and then I'm going to blend it with the same brush that I used to blend my foundation. So lastly I will blend my under eyes because I want more pigmentation or more coverage over there. After blending all the concealer, I'll be using the Lakme Rose powder to set my face with it. Now I'm taking some extra loose powder from Lakme and I will be setting my under eyes. Till then I will curl my lashes and apply lots and lots of coats of mascara to get a false eyelash look. Now I will dust off the excess powder below my under eye, and then I will apply mascara on my lower lashes also. Now using this highlighting shade, I will be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. After that I am using this shade for blush, so I am taking excess back of my hands because it's so pigmented and applied it all over my cheeks and nose. And now using this shade and contouring my nose. It's so pigmented, so be careful. And I applied a flat shader brush to my nose, and then I use a big brush for all over my face. Now using this highlighting shade I will highlight all my rest of my face. Now I'm using this Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. I'll be setting my face and taking excess using a beauty sponge. Now I'm using this Nude Fix shade from the brand L18. It's a very affordable shade and very nude and brown undertone shade. Please, if you like this look, please subscribe to my channel. Also like, share and comment and tell me how do you find this look. And thanks for watching. So I will be again here with a